Alright, how's it going, YouTube? This is Grant with Retro Games and More, giving you a video update on my NES to PC build. Just wanted to... There's not much, different compared to the last video that I uploaded. I just wanted to show you a couple extra features. It's not done just yet, but it is very close. I got a couple parts coming in the mail to finish off the build, and then we'll be good to go. And as soon as I get all the parts in, I'll go ahead and show you how the software runs, how Windows runs, how emulators run on it, and so forth. The parts that I got coming in for the unit is a replacement DVD drive. Like in the last video, I was saying how I need to replace this slim DVD drive with a one that has serial ATA interface, so I don't take up any USB ports any more than I need to. So I do have that coming in to replace that DVD drive, which is going to be nice because I want to get much better speed performance going through serial ATA instead of converting standard SLIM into USB. So that's one thing that I do got coming in. I also wanted to show you guys the motherboard that when it's not mounted, so you can just get an idea of how small this motherboard is. It is tiny, very, very, very thin. And it's just incredibly small, and that's the reason I did go with this the Giada motherboard instead of the Asus one that I was talking about in the first video, talking about the conception of putting an NES PC together. I did go with this one just because it's so small, and the other one, the Asus, I'd have to make a lot more room in the case. And with this motherboard, there's a lot of breathing room for the motherboard. It stays nice and cool, and it does have integrated HDMI, integrated power supply, VGA, optical audio, USB, gigabit Ethernet, and audio ports right on the back. And also I want to show you a couple of revisions I did to the casing. As you can see right here on the side, I have a headphone and microphone port extension, so you don't have to plug up your headphones to the back, of the system. I was thinking of mounting it on the front of the system, but, like I said in the first video, I kind of wanted to keep the integrity of the Nintendo. I wanted the essence of the retro NES to still be there. So and I've still got a couple. I want to actually mount two USB ports as well on the side here, probably on the side. Maybe give me some input if you think I should, alter the front of the unit and put, let me close it here. Should I, alter the front of the unit and put, USB ports here or anywhere on the front, or should I just kind of keep the, the front of it looking classic and just put some USB ports here on the side or the other side? Because it desperately needs more USB ports. That's the reason I'm behind changing out the DVD drive to serial ATA, so I can gain 2 extra ports. Had to replace the exhaust fan on the back because the other one, accidentally, I was working on it and accidentally got my finger caught down there and messed up one of the blades on the original fan, so I had to change it out. It's still the same layout as before, except for I got the headphone and microphone revision in the side here. And also, one thing that I was talking about in the second NES video that I uploaded, I was getting those retro kits, or the NES controller to USB kits in. Actually, these are them right there. I got 2 of them. I got them wired directly from the controller ports, and they wire soldered right here, and they're actually wired to a USB header that goes directly into the board there. And this is awesome. These are so awesome. I'm going to put a link to the website that I got these from. If you just want to put turn your NES controller into a USB gamepad for your computer, these work. They're genius. They're awesome. They work flawlessly. And I'm not really using it the recommended way on the website. Instead of putting them inside the controller and having a controller with a USB cable coming out the back end, I just wired it to these ports, so I can plug an original NES gaming controller into these ports, and it works just like that. And it's awesome. And I actually did find a piece of software that makes it where I can use a gamepad as a mouse to control the cursor, which was kind of neat. And I'll show you that as soon as I get all the system together. As soon as I get that DVD drive in for a replacement, I'll give you guys an update again. But I did want to show you a couple of little things that I did to it. I got the fan speed mounted, so you can adjust the fan speed right here with the knob. I'm also going to have to replace the LED that I had in here. If you notice, I got a red LED there, and it actually stopped working. So I'm not for sure if I need to get some resistors to make sure that it's not getting too much output power to it, to where it, it blows out the LED or what. So I'll have to monitor that. But yeah, I got to replace the LED, and hopefully I'll be getting that DVD drive in next week, and I'll probably go ahead and show you guys as soon as it comes in. I also do have video footage of the start of the build. Like I said in the first video, I was going to show you guys the progress of the actual build, and show you the dribbling process and all that. I do have some video footage, so I'll probably upload that as well later. The idea that I have right now is to upload a video for you guys as soon as it's all done, and just have a huge overview of the whole project. And show you it, yeah, just wanted to give you this quick update, show you this tiny motherboard. Oh yeah, also I wanted to show you one thing that I couldn't show you in the last video, and that is the micro, or the mini PCI Express ports on the bottom here. There's two, and that is a wireless in card mounted in the bottom, and there's another port for solid state or any type of other hardware that can be mounted in those ports, and so that's really awesome too. Just look how thin that thing is. Anyways, alright, thank you very much for watching this video. Keep an eye out for future ones. Thank you again.